Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Honda Odyssey Touring. This Ford organ has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 202,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, DVD player, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Call for an appointment today.